Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm using a new BeautyBay palette, new to me I should say. This was a limited edition eyeshadow palette. I did catch this one on sale, which BeautyBay is always having sales, and I'm going to link BeautyBay in the description box below. Do not sleep on BeautyBay. They're amazing. They're amazing. And I'm using the Jade palette today by BeautyBay. I'm using the NYX Ultimate Eyeshadow Primer, which is amazing if you haven't tried it out either. And in this Jade palette, we're going to be picking up this beautiful shade called Daydreamer. And it's a matte lilac-y kind of shade. I am going to use this on a fluffy brush. This brush that I'm using here came from She Glam. And they're pretty awesome and soft. And it's just a fluffy crease brush. And I'm going to windshield wiper this beautiful purple in my crease. Next up, I'm going to be taking Soulmate, and it's beautiful magenta shade. So it's a cross between a purple and red and a pink. That's the best way I can describe this shade. So magenta, or fuchsia if you will. But very beautiful, and I'm taking this on a pencil style crease brush. And I'm going to press this into my outer corner, build this up, also placing it in the crease against the lighter purple shade I applied. And as you see, I'm going to start kind of blending that a bit while I build it up. I find that that's easiest. It's just like in cooking, like I always say, it's better to build it up and not be sorry in the end for adding too much. It's like salt and pepper, same thing. You will ruin it, you know, if you overdo. And that was a Maybelline Color Tattoo and Too Cool. And I'm taking the shade Milky Way, and it doesn't come off on camera, but it is a white duochrome pink. So it's white shimmery shade, but it shifts pink. So it is applying like pink frosty shade on top of that color tattoo. I needed a secondary base because I knew it was going to be a bit sheer. It was going to take some building up, and I never wet my BeautyBay shimmers. I haven't had to yet, but I just wanted to use a secondary base with this one. I love how it came out. This is such an easy, quick look. I'm just blending in my crease here. And I love how this look makes my green eyes pop as well. Now from NYX, I'm taking the single eyeshadow in Pure Skin on a fluffy crease kind of eyeshadow brush. It's a cross between the two. It can kind of be used for both in my opinion. And I'm just blending that down into the crease. And then I will bring the crease brush back and do some more blending. So wiping away my fallout, I'm taking the magenta shade on the lower lash line. Then I'm going to take some of the lilac shade in the inner corner of the lash line, lower lash line, and just make sure those are blended together. Now I'm using my hard candy spray here, and I'm going to wet Milky Way, and I'm putting it in the inner corner. And the reason why I wet it here and not ever wetting my BeautyBay eyeshadows is because it will help it adhere or stick and appear more vibrant in the inner corner. Now the Benefit Rollerball, a roller lash, and I'm using this LAColors Nude Lip Gloss, and there's our finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. We'll try the look out for yourselves using products you may already own. Such an easy, simple look for Valentine's Day, and I thank you guys so very much for watching. Stay tuned for more videos using BeautyBay. And don't forget to check the description box and the cards for additional links. Thank you so very much for watching.